Goji berry benefits. Rich in antioxidants, goji berries contain high levels of antioxidants, including carotenoids and polysaccharides, which can help protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. May improve immune function. Goji berries have been used traditionally to boost the immune system and may help to protect against infections and illnesses. May lower blood sugar levels. Studies have shown that goji berries may help to lower blood sugar levels, making them a potentially beneficial food for people with diabetes. May improve heart health. Goji berries contain compounds that may help to lower cholesterol and blood pressure, which can reduce the risk of heart disease. May improve vision. Goji berries contain high levels of carotenoids, including zeaxanthin and lutein, which are important for eye health. May boost energy and endurance. Goji berries have traditionally been used to increase energy and improve athletic performance. May promote healthy skin. Goji berries are rich in vitamin C, which is essential for the production of collagen, the protein that gives skin its elasticity. May help to improve sleep. Goji berries contain compounds that may help to promote restful sleep, including melatonin. May help to improve mood. Goji berries contain compounds that may help to promote feelings of well-being and may help to reduce anxiety and depression. May help to promote healthy aging. Goji berries contain compounds that may help to protect against age-related diseases, including cancer, and may help to promote healthy aging.